So today, and what is this thing that you brought to the studio?
Well, I would like to show you guys this thing. This thing is a precision stylus pressure force gauge, and you can use it so that the pressure at the point of contact of the stylus is in the range that it's supposed to be, so it doesn't ruin the record. It doesn't ruin the record, and it gives you the maximum performance of your system, right? And you're using the adjustments that they give you to make it higher or lower. And this one has some sort of assisted adjustment on it, which is cool. But so we've adjusted this one to be right on the money at 1.5 grams.
What's so important about having like 3 grams or 2 grams?
Well, if it's too light, there's the record spinning, and if you get any kind of warpage, the needle would just hop and bounce, right? So it's got to be heavy enough to grab that, and then it's got to be not too heavy that it doesn't actually hurt the record surface. And then you want it to be wherever the manufacturer made it, so that it's in its movement of the magnets, that it's in the middle range, that it's very good and gives you the best fidelity.
But you said that we can actually kind of hear it through the needle,
You
right?
can kind of hear it through the needle, and so the bigger, heavier, brutal needles, you'd hear a little more sound, I'm pretty sure, that I went back in history and looked, but you can hear it. So we'll take a record, and we'll put the record on the
How does a record work if it's actually a picture? I don't understand.
And there's a skip on this too. So people who remember records, you remember skips. And this has one skip somewhere.
Yeah, I remember I'd put it on when I woke up, and I'd like just nudge the little needle over, or the stylus, as you said.
So here I got the up button lifted, so see, I can lift it where I want, and it won't go down until I take off the lift.
Oh, I do hear something.
Yeah.
So I don't know if you could hear that or not. I'll boost it in post, but yeah, that's interesting. And then you have some other tools over here.
This one is a little microscope, 50 times, and you take the tip and you put it right at the end there, and then you would look through it, hopefully keep it well lighted, and look through it, and you would inspect the dirt, look for cracks, chips on the tip. This is another gauge. It's a smaller, cheaper one. It's missing the stand, but you can see it's marked in 1, 1.5, 3, and 4 grams. So you would balance on there, and you'd put the tip here. And then this guy, everybody needs a cleaner. This is actually a brush. You'd take the needle and you'd just be able to clean the needle through that. And then there's a mirror for inspection. And everybody had their favorite dust cleaners to get all that dust off the top, because the dust was the #1 thing. The dust gets on the record gets the pressure of the needle, and it embeds dust in, or makes marks in the surface. So.
And then your record has to be tossed out?
That record gets tossed out, or more likely it gets played a lot more until you can't stand it.